look what I found when I was getting my brother's backpack. It's so windy. Ah, the leaves are shaking. Damn. Damn, and I dropped both of our trash cans. Fuck. Damn, look at that. You can't see it that good, but wait, let me try to do something. It's somewhere right. It's like right here. Like that. Like the wind is hard. And look at that tree. You cannot see it, but it's like right, like somewhere right here. It's all windy. Oh my god. I'm not sure if I could zoom in. You can't see it, but somewhere like over there's like a palm tree. You guys can't see it, but like, tell me if you guys are getting like this sort of weather like right now at your house, and post a video about it, then like, and I can watch it on your channels. Whoa. Damn. Our neighbor's trees are like all blowing. And that branch fell off from this tree, and it's like 20 years old. Well, it's not 20, but like 75 years old, but like, who cares? But like, damn. Look, just these simple trees are blowing. And like, oh my god. In the morning, if I wake up and then there's like a bunch of rockets in the road, oh my god, I wouldn't be able to go to school, and we're not gonna get anything, you know. Like, I don't know, it's just too windy. After the wind stops, it like slows down for like 30, about like 10 seconds, and then it goes like back up fast. I hope you guys can hear me. It's good quality. Damn, if you were right now, damn, you would be like, damn. You would be like saying, what the? You'd be like, what the F? Like, right here, there's like a tree right here. Like, there's like a palm tree. If you can see it, like right here. Like, there's a palm tree up here. Like, it's pushing like the trees, and I don't know what's gonna happen. Damn. Damn, if they fall down right now. Damn. Oh my god, it's too fast. This one is bad. It's probably all the climate change, or maybe something like that. Like, still. Like, we should not be having this. Like, damn. Like, it just starts kicking up. Like, it's gonna fall off and then, like, squash. Damn. It was pushing down. You were right now. Damn, you will be, like, going inside. But I'm savage, you know. I can't really see. Hope you guys could see. Like something like it. Like, oh my gosh. Like, there's so much going on right now. Like, why? Like, just, like, I feel like that tree's gonna break and be like right there. Damn. You guys can see a little better view if I dig down a little. Something like it. Did something just break? Oh damn. If I had those things that just stopped the wind speed, damn, I would be going like crazy. I hope nothing bad happens. Getting scared. But I'm gonna suck it up and be like savage. And tell me if you guys are getting like this as well, or it's just like me. Wait, okay. Or it's just like me getting this. Because I have like 3 trees. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like 8 trees near me. And like, damn, if it just like blocks up right here, I'm not going to be able to go to school. Fuck, that palm tree is going to break. Damn, it's going back. Oh, it broke. The palm tree broke. Like, see something like that? Like something right there. Look, I'm gonna show you zoom in. Like, yeah, you see like that? It broke from the palm tree. Oh, shiz. Ah! Oh, those like mosquitoes. Oh. There's just like crazy things going on. I heard my teachers talking, Miss Tis Carino and the library teacher, Miss Amber. They're like yeah, give me like 70 speed. I'm like, what? I get scared. Mimish? Oh my god. Oh. My toes are hurting. I'm stepping on something. I'm not sure what it is, but tell me if you guys are getting this weather. Okay. I'm freaking out, dudes. My tree's like bending, like shaking like a tornado. Oh my god. If it starts to break, I'm still continuing this. Or I might drop my phone. And this is weird. Brought to you by my house. I should probably send this to Telemundo. Telemundo, no. And they're like, getting crazy. Like, the wind just keeps kicking in. I'm gonna get back a little. Hope you guys get a good view. It's shaking. The trees are shaking. That giant tree shaking. Like up there. Like it was like twisting going down. Hope you guys nothing bad happens to you. Come on, like just pray like nothing bad happens. Or like it gets like just like windy. Not like this crazy. My house, and guys, record a video if you're gonna do this. So bye bye.